Why does $1 today hold the potential to be 5, 10, or even $100 tomorrow? The answer lies in the power of investing. Investing, in its most basic form, is the act of allocating resources, usually in the form of money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit. It's a way of making your money work for you. But how do we go about this process? Let's explore it step by step. The first step towards investing is setting clear, achievable goals. Investing without a goal is like setting sail without a destination. You might end up anywhere. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or preparing for retirement, having a specific financial goal gives direction to your investment strategy. The next step is understanding your risk tolerance. Everyone has a different level of comfort when it comes to taking financial risks. Some people can sleep soundly, even if their investments fluctuate wildly, while others need the stability of a steady return. Knowing your risk tolerance helps in choosing the right investment options. Then comes the research. The world of investing offers a plethora of options, from stocks, bonds, and mutual funds to real estate and cryptocurrencies. Each of these options carries its own set of risks and rewards. Conduct thorough research or seek advice from a financial advisor to understand which option aligns best with your goals and risk tolerance. Once you've chosen your investment option, the next step is to create a diversified portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different assets helps in reducing risk and potentially increasing returns. Finally, investing isn't a one-time activity. It requires regular monitoring and adjustments. The market changes, and so should your strategy. Regularly review your portfolio and make necessary changes to stay on track towards your financial goals. To sum up, investing is an essential tool for wealth creation. It starts with setting clear goals, understanding your risk tolerance, and conducting thorough research. Choosing the right investment options and diversifying your portfolio can help mitigate risks. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy keeps you on track towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, investing doesn't guarantee instant wealth. It's a journey, not a destination. It requires patience, diligence, and a willingness to learn. But with the right approach, it can help turn that $1 today into many more in the future. So, why wait? Start your investing journey today.